Hi, my name is Ilani and I'm one of the math tutors that could be helping you out today. And today we're going to be talking about how to multiply fractions. So first, let's start off with a pretty simple problem, which is 1/4 times 1/11. Now, this may seem a bit difficult when you first look at this at a glance, but if we break this down, it could be very much a very simple problem. Well, first, let's look at the top part, the numerator. If we look at the numerator and let's just ignore these for a little bit, then it could be a simple problem of still multiplying 1 times 1, like this. So if we multiply 1 times 1, that would obviously equal to 1. But wait, we still have this bottom part. What about it? Well, we're going to go back to that. So after we do that, we look back at the bottom, and if we see, it'll be 4 times 11, just straight across. So, and 4 times 11, that would equal to 44. So your answer should be 1 out of 44. Now let's do a more difficult one, which could be involving more whole numbers, which could be 2 times 3 out of 6, or 3/6. I apologize. So how would we do this? Would it be 2 over 2? Well, no, because if we do something like 2 out of 2, this would just equal to 1, which our original whole number is not 1, it is 2. So in order to make sure our make sure our whole number is 1, we would have to just add the bottom as 1. So now it'll be a simple problem as 2 times 3, which equals to 6, and 1 times 6 equals to 6. And if we're trying to simplify this answer, 6 over 6, which could equal to 1, or another way is 6 divided by 6, which could equal to 1 yet again. Let's do another problem, which could be more challenging. Another problem we could do is 2 out of 10. Sorry, let me write that. 2 tenths times 5/6. Now this could be a little bit challenging too, but if we remember about what we discussed earlier, if we just look at the top and we just focus on the numerators, 2 times 5, which equals to 10, and 10 times 6, which equals to 60. Now sometimes some teachers or some problems are going to ask you to simplify it, and a good way to simplify is to know what both of these numbers can both be divisible by, in which the answer could be 10, because 10 times 1 equals to 10, and 6 times 10 equals to 60, which our answer could also be 1/6, which is very nice and very simple. Let's try another problem as well, which could be very nice and fun. 3/2 times 2/8 equals to what? So what we're first going to do, I think could be a little bit more simpler, is making an improper fraction to the 3 and the 2/3. So how we're first going to do this is knowing how many 1/3 could be into 3. Let me write that, sorry. 1/3 could get into how many 3s? And we could do this by multiplying just these two together. If we the denominator and the whole number, and that would be 9/3. And then we still have these 2/3, so we're just gonna have to add them because this was originally part of the problem, so we don't need to multiply. So this would be 11/3. So now we're gonna have a new equation, which is 11/3 times 2/8. Now we can multiply these two. 22 divided by, and then it'd be 22s, and then be 24. And of course, this could also be simplified as well. So what we're going to do is know that how much these two could be divisible by, which is 2. So these could also, if we divisible by 2, this could also equal to 2 and 1/11 and 1/12. And that could be your answer. And this concludes on how to multiply fractions and also how to simplify them as well. And I hope you find this tutorial and tutoring section. Very helpful, and thank you.